In this video, I'm going to show you how to limit responses in SurveyMonkey. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top here and you want to click on the Home tab, select your survey for which you want to limit responses, and then in here, inside your survey, you want to go to Collect Responses. Now, when you're inside the Collect Responses tab, you want to first select the collector you actually want to limit. So, for example, this first one, I'm going to click on this web link one, which is my first collector with currently one response. And when you do that, you want to scroll down and you want to enable Show Advanced Options. So click on that. And then from here, as you can see, it says Response Limits. This is how we can do it. Click on it and click on over here. And then it's going to say close this collector after a specified number of responses. And you can go ahead and enter a number over here. And of course, I'm going to just type in something random like 50, for example. And then there we go. Whenever you do that, it's going to basically save itself. As you can see, it says changes have been saved. And now you have a limit. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.